Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. I have a very small message for you. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, remember that we miss you and we love you. Whatever troubles you may face, whatever obstacles you might come across, I want you to keep this in mind. Each and every one of you is capable of overcoming everything life throws at you. You're incredibly talented, you're incredibly smart, and you have what it takes to achieve everything you put your mind to. We had such an incredible time in school, and I hope all of you have taken away fond memories from your time. Thank you for making my time at school so memorable, and I will forever miss you. I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a lot of fun. And come back and visit us sometime. Bye.
Children of the 2019-20 batch, I know this is a farewell of a very different kind. But let me tell you, children, you're still lucky because you had 1 year of regular school life, which the present batch are missing out on. So we'll keep looking at the brighter side of life and keep moving on a positive note. And let me tell you, children, you're a very, very loving batch, and that is really special to me. So, all the very best to every child here for a wonderful future ahead. Thank you, children.
Hi all to my lovely children. And just a small thought from me. Believe in yourself and make a future on your own. Try to choose the right path. Once chosen, dedication and hard work are the two mantras which will reach you to success. I wish all my children that you should reach the pinnacle of success, and all the best for your future endeavors. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay safe.
Namaste students. I would like to wish you a very happy farewell. I hope that the education you have gained here will help you in higher studies. Good luck for your future endeavors and continue to achieve excellence. Thank you.
You were the best batch, actually. This is one line I keep repeating for all the classes that pass out from school. But you are different. You are actually very special to me because you were the last class I was a class teacher for. And then I miss being your class teacher in class 12. The good times we had during Marketing Minds, the kind of dedication and involvement each and every one of you showed, and the kind of profits we made, my God, it's unbelievable it was when we were calculating. You were so good. I can never forget this, and God will bless you for all that effort you had put in. And my sincere advice to all of you all is, everyone has great potential. Please work to your full potential. Don't get lazy, okay? Work to your full potential and give us all the good news and keep in touch with us. Stay connected with each other. You are great friends. I've seen that. Stay connected, help each other, grow together, and also keep us posted as to where you're going and what are the great achievements you are, achieving in life. And on behalf of all the teachers, I would like to wish you all the very best in life. May God bless you. And I'm getting a little nostalgic. Wish I could be there to, say bye to you. But anyways, I'm getting a little emotional. All the very best to you, children. I wish you all the great success, and always stay in touch with us. Don't forget us, because we'll never forget you. Love you, children. Love you. God bless.
Namaste children. At the outset, I want to wish you all a happy and prosperous new year 2021. I hope you are all staying safe and staying healthy and well. I came to know that you are all celebrating your farewell party. My great wishes for your happiness. I hope you all settled with your courses and colleges and started your courses also. My sincere wishes for your success in all walks of your life. Let the Almighty shower all His blessings on you all people for success and golden opportunities. May you be rocking in all walks of your career. Be always a gold medalist and a topper, and always you should be filled with the proudful moments. Make your parents very happy and the alma mater very happy. So that is what we wish, and what is what the satisfaction we get from. My sincere prayers and blessing to you all for your bright future. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. God bless you all.
Namaste students. It was a great pleasure being a teacher of such genius students. Dear students, you have surely held our heads high with your results and achievements. I would like to appreciate you for your efforts. On your farewell, I wish you all the best for your career prospects. Keep up the spirit and study with utmost dedication. Thank you.